Throughout the stay-at-home order, we've been telling the stories of everyday heroes who keep those essential businesses open. KCTV5 Savannah Rudicel is giving us a look at how grocery store employees are doing in Savannah. I have seen some crazy crowded stores. They must be so busy right now.
Gina, absolutely. A lot of the employees are comparing the crowds they're getting right now to what they normally see around the holidays. We're live this morning at the Hy-Vee off Nolan Road, and one of the biggest changes for this store is how popular their online pickup service has been. Right now, they have a good portion of their parking lot blocked off now just for those parking spots for people to use those online aisles. Inside, they're still just as busy as ever. You might have seen some stores put up some face shields in front of those cashiers, and now the stores like this are putting up ones behind the cashiers as well to keep that social distancing. Now, the store director tells me everyone, even in this really difficult new challenge, is still bringing a great energy.
I tell you what, we have some great employees. I mean, they're the heroes every single day. They're the ones that show up, they take care of my customers. Honestly, they're more concerned about taking care of our customers and trying to help them and find things for them and really take care of their needs.
Coming up in the next half hour, we're going to talk about how some of the smaller local markets are keeping up with the same demand, but with fewer supplies. Reporting live in Independence, Savannah Rudicel, KCTV5 News.
Yeah, I think it's really important to have some grace with these people too. I know people, tensions are high, but they are on the front lines and they're dealing with a lot, so to just be kind. Thanks, Savannah.